Hi everyone. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you that's going to revolutionize the way you shop online. In this video, we are diving into the world of BuyMyStuff, the ultimate online shopping app. Let's talk about the sleek and user-friendly redesign of the BuyMyStuff app homepage. The moment you open the app, you're greeted with a fresh and intuitive interface. It's designed to enhance your shopping experience, making it easier and more enjoyable. Who doesn't love staying up to date with the latest trends? With BuyMyStuff, you can explore the trending products section that showcases the top products. Window Shopping Feed is your virtual window to the latest trends, unique finds, and hidden gems. It's like scrolling down your favorite shopping street without leaving your couch. BuyMyStuff uses cutting-edge technology to analyze your interests and preferences. The Recommended Products section suggests items tailored just for you. It's like having a personal shopper at your fingertips. With an infinite range of products, you're sure to find exactly what you're looking for. The joy of discovery is just a swipe away. Update your BuyMyStuff app today. See you in the next video.